Welcome everyone to Shawnee State University, home of the Shawnee Bears. This regional university for South Central Ohio is a top-ranked public university in the Midwest and is nationally ranked in game design, plastics engineering technology, and health-related degrees. Located in Portsmouth, Ohio, SSU is just a couple hours drive from Columbus and Cincinnati. Students here are part of a close-knit community where education is personalized, career-focused, and affordable. SSU offers low tuition and hands-on learning opportunities for all students through internships, student employment, and unique lab experiences. With small class sizes and faculty who work one-on-one with students, graduates here are making an impact on their communities and demonstrating why Shawnee State University is the place to innovate, collaborate, and learn. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and over the next hour, we'll meet 16 remarkable students who will share their stories about how this university is preparing them to succeed in their future careers and in life. Welcome to Shawnee State University. This is the College Tour.